Hey folks, it's Borden at Vernon Toyota, and here we have a 2017 Subaru Outback. With just 78,335 kilometers, this one is the touring package, also equipped with a 3.3 liter V6 and an asking price of $29,995. Taking a look inside, this vehicle is equipped with the brown leather interior, along with a power adjustable passenger seat and memory function seating for the driver. Here you can see some features equipped with the Subaru EyeSight package. So some of those safety features include blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and their pre-collision system. With the touring package, you do also get features like dual zone climate control, heated seats for both the driver and passenger, a heated steering wheel, and embedded navigation. If you're interested in having a look at this vehicle in person or scheduling a test drive, just give us a shout at the dealership. Our number here is 250-545-0687.